Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, July 2, 2025. Today's video is about Boeing Saab T-7 Red Hawk. The Boeing Saab T-7 Red Hawk is an American-Swedish transonic advanced jet trainer produced by Boeing with Saab. In September 2018, the United States Air Force, USAF, selected it for the TX program to replace the Northrop T-38 Talon as the service's advanced jet trainer. It is named the Red Hawk as a tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen, who painted their airplanes' tails bright red, and to the Curtiss P-40 Warhawk, the first aircraft flown in combat by the 99th Fighter Squadron, the U.S. Army Air Force's first black fighter squadron. Its first flight took place in June 2023, and the first aircraft was delivered to the USAF in September 2023. This air-to-air photograph shows a T-7 Red Hawk on a test flight over Edwards Air Force Base in November 2023. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.